Welcome back to And This Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to remove borders in Google Sheets. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Google Sheets, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Removing borders in Google Sheets is a straightforward process that can create a cleaner and less cluttered appearance, especially when you're presenting data or creating reports. This can improve readability and focus on the content itself rather than on grid lines. Now, you see, I have so many borders here right now. It's a different color. I have like red, aquamarine blue, and like a purple. I don't know, it's like a semi-purple or violet. Now, for us to be able to remove the border, all right, just highlight these certain cells that you wanted to get rid of the border itself. I want you to click this borders icon. It's beside the paint bucket or fill color. All right, click on it. Now here, just select this one. You see, everything is gone, right? So if I hit the undo button here, beside menus or press Ctrl plus Z, that's the borders earlier, or click on the redo. Now, I'm not gonna show you how to put a border in Google Sheets because we have a separate video for that you might be interested, so I suggest you dig that on our channel. Instead, I'm going to create a border, a whole border, so that you can see the a bit another option. Okay, I must skip that part because I want you to check that on our channel. Now, for example, this is the border. It looks doesn't look good, right? Now the data is straightforward, but it does not require visual separation between cells. So removing borders can streamline their presentation. It can reduce visual distractions like this one. This is distracting, right? Look at the red borders here. Now, you are not allowing the viewers to concentrate on the data itself. If you're presenting this to a client, to multiple freelancers, or to your company, it's not good. This is not something you'd like to show them. So removing this can help achieve the aesthetic appearance, making the sheet appear more modern. And just like what we did earlier, all we have to do is select the cells that we wanted to remove the border, go to the border options beside the fill color, and click on the clear borders. All right, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.